I'm going to go camping with Thomas. Thomas, do you want to go camping with me?
Yes, I'm Hazeline. Let's go.
That tent looks great.
It sure is a nice night to be out there.
It sure is, Thomas. And look at the moon. It is so bright than before. Come on, Thomas. Let's get some shots.
Okay, Hazeline.
Good night, Thomas.
Good night, Hazeline.
Ah. Is there beautiful morning there?
Hazeline and Thomas. Wake up.
Oh, hey, Dad. What's up?
Yes, you, Hazeline. Get out of the tent right now.
Oh, no?
Hazeline. How dare you go camping with Thomas? You know what, I have told you not to go camping without permission.
And Thomas. How dare you go camping with the same as Hazeline? That's it, you both are grounded for 5 months. When we get home, you both will go to your rooms.